Today, you're going to create AI films completely for free, just like the ones I make. Take a look at the quality of the results. They're truly cinematic. I'll also show you how to use VEO3 for free. First, let's look at dinosaur movies. If you create videos like these, you can get a huge number of views. As you can see, some videos have 4 million, 17 million, and even more views. These types of dinosaur AI movies perform extremely well on YouTube. There's also a channel called Pure AI Films. As you can see, it's a monetized channel. According to Social Blade, its estimated monthly earnings are around $2.7K, while its estimated yearly earnings are around $1,350,000, which is a significant amount. As the channel grows and gets more views, its earnings can increase even further. You can also create cinematic AI films just like the ones on this channel. In this complete course, I'll show you step by step how to create these AI films, how to make them cinematic, and how to produce high-quality videos from start to finish. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video so you can keep learning how to create trending AI videos and grow your own channel. Now, let's get started and learn how to make these amazing AI films comps. So guys, the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT. Once you've opened ChatGPT, I'll give you a master prompt. Simply copy and paste that master prompt. After pasting it, type, "Give me 7 best cinematic AI film prompts." ChatGPT will generate 7 cinematic video prompts along with complete story ideas. You can ask for 10, 15, or even 20 prompts. It all depends on how many you want. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate 7 prompts. A lot of people ask, how can we create these videos for free? Don't worry, I'm going to show you the complete process step by step. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated 7 cinematic prompts. The results are amazing. If you don't want just 7 prompts and instead want 10, 15, or 20, you can simply replace the number 7 with any number you like. You can even generate prompts for shorts. ChatGPT will create the titles, stories, and detailed cinematic prompts automatically. Now that our prompts are ready, we don't need to generate any images. The next step is to use snapgen.ai. As you can see, it offers VE03.1, Fast Zero, and Grow Video Rock, and these 3 models are available for free. You can use any of them. Simply copy one of the prompts and paste it into snapgen.ai. As soon as you paste it, your first video will start generating. It only takes a short time. As you can see, the result looks really good. Once the first video is generated, you can paste the second prompt, and the second video will start generating as well. The results are already impressive, especially considering that the platform provides free credits. But if you want even better quality, let me show you another website where you can also create AI videos for free fiction. Now let's move on to the second website, which is Flow AI. Flow AI is an excellent platform for creating AI videos. It's an amazing website, and the quality of its results is outstanding. As you can see, I currently have 50 credits in my account. I'll show you how to create multiple videos using a single email account. First, copy your prompt, then paste it into Flow AI. Once you've pasted the prompt, you'll see different video duration options, such as 6 seconds and 8 seconds. Select 6 seconds, because for a single cinematic scene, 6 seconds is more than enough. Now click Generate. It will take a little time, because creating high-quality cinematic scenes requires some processing. But the wait is worth it, because the results are incredibly realistic and cinematic. In my opinion, the VEO3 model on Flow AI produces some of the best cinematic AI videos available. As you can see, the first video has finished generating. Take a look at the result. It's absolutely amazing. The quality is excellent and looks just like a real movie scene. You can easily create professional AI videos with this platform. Now let's create the second video. You can also see that I still have 40 credits remaining. Only 10 credits have been used so far. I'll paste another prompt and the second video will start generating immediately. Again, it only takes a short time. Once it's finished, you can see that the second video also has incredible cinematic quality. It looks just like footage from a real film. Now I'll paste the third prompt. As you can see, I still have 30 credits left. The third video starts generating in the same way and only takes a short time. Here is the third video, and once again, the result is fantastic. Flow AI is an excellent website for creating cinematic AI films, animations, cartoons, and many other types of AI-generated videos. If you're looking for high-quality AI video generation, I definitely recommend using Flow AI. Now you might be wondering, what happens when the 50 free credits are finished? Here's the trick. I'll click on the browser and open a new Flow AI account using a different email address. As you can see, this new account also comes with 50 free credits. That means every new email account receives 50 free credits, allowing you to create more videos at no cost. By using different email accounts, you can continue creating AI videos for free. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. After that, many people ask, can you recommend a free AI voice generator? Yes, I recommend unlimited AI text-to-speech. It's an excellent tool, and the best part is that you don't even need to log in. Simply paste your script into the text box, choose the Blaze voice, select the storytelling style, and click Generate. Your AI voice will start generating automatically. Keep in mind that you can generate up to 1,000 words at a time. If your script is longer, simply generate the first 1,000 words, download the audio, then paste the next part of your script, and repeat the process until your entire narration is complete. As you can see, the voice is now ready. Listen to the result.
Hundreds of military vehicles, tanks and soldiers mobilize against a gigantic dinosaur advancing through the city. Attack helicopters circle overhead, firing missiles.
It's incredibly natural and high quality. This is how you can generate professional AI voiceovers for free. Now I have everything ready. The AI voice, the cinematic video clips, and all the scenes. The next step is to open CapCut and import all the scenes. Then I'll arrange them one by one in the correct order, depending on the story I want to tell. Whether you want to create cinematic AI films, short videos, or longer productions, this is a simple and effective workflow. If you consistently create scenes over the course of a week or even 15 days, you can combine them into a 15 or 20-minute AI film. With quality content and consistency, your YouTube channel can grow significantly. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.